Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to private message someone on Basecamp. I know that Basecamp can be a bit confusing to use at first, so I'm going to walk you through the steps in detail. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to send a private message to someone on Basecamp, but you weren't sure how to do it? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. What is Basecamp? Before we get into the steps, let's take a quick look at what Basecamp is. Basecamp is a project management software that helps you to keep track of your tasks, deadlines, and files. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used for a variety of projects, such as software development, marketing campaigns, product launches, event planning, and much more. How to private message someone on Basecamp. Now that we know what Basecamp is, let's get into the steps of how to private message someone on Basecamp. Step 1. Sign in to your Basecamp account. The first step is to sign in to your Basecamp account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Go to the Messages tab. Once you're signed in, click on the Messages tab. Step 3. Click on the New Message button. In the Messages tab, click on the New Message button. Step 4. Enter the recipient's name or email address. In the To field, enter the name or email address of the person you want to send a message to. Step 5. Enter your message. In the Body field, enter your message. Step 6. Click on the Send button. Once you're done entering your message, click on the Send button. Your message will be sent to the recipient. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for private messaging on Basecamp. You can use the CC and BCC fields to send your message to multiple people. You can attach files to your messages. You can use the star button to mark important messages. You can use the filter button to search for messages. You can use the notifications tab to see when you have new messages. I hope this video has helped you to learn how to private message someone on Basecamp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to private message someone on Basecamp. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.